Hello, I'm Steve Bradley. Some people know me as Arnold. I drove a school bus for Jackson County Schools for the last 32 years. Not the last 32, I've been retired for a while. And I've been a police officer in Ravenswood. And I've been asked to tell you the story about the old Macintosh building, which is now the Ravenswood Community Building. It seems that the Macintoshes live there, and they donated the building to the city of Ravenswood for a community building years ago for $1. That's the way things used to be done. But anyway, when the Macintoshes lived there, they had a daughter, and at that time the parents sort of picked out the man that their daughter would marry. And so they had this boy picked out, and the daughter didn't have a problem with that. She loved the boy. But she told her mother one day that she didn't want to be married in a white gown. She wanted to be married in a red gown. And her mother said no, said you will be married in a white gown, said you are a virgin and you deserve to be married in a white gown. Well, she went around the house saying a poem, "I'll be married in red or I'll be dead." So this went on for a while, and it come her wedding day. And she was still asleep upstairs, and the mother went up to get her up. And she had died in her sleep. And so a lot of people think that she died because of the fact that she was going to be forced to wear a white gown and not red. This happened on April 4th. That's my understanding. And on April 4th, several times, the 911 center has received a call that there was a young girl in a red gown, looking out one of the upstairs windows of the Macintosh house. And the police would go there and there would be nobody. That's been reported on April 4th for several years. Mary Lou Robertson can also verify this statement. She's a Ravenswood resident, been here all her life. I have too. I've lived here all my life, and I'm 67 years old. So that's the story of the Macintosh house.